Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today's video is sponsored by Unicoeye colored contacts. They sent me over 6 pairs of colored contacts. These contacts are supposed to be really good for dark brown eyes like myself. And I've got 6 different colors to show you guys today. So I'm going to try each and every one of them on for you guys and show you guys how they come packaged and what you get with them and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right there so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into these contacts, okay? So first, you will get 6 little contact lens holders. I've got 6 pair of contacts. So just so you guys know, all my contact lenses are non-prescription. I don't need prescriptions, but you are able to get prescriptions if you need them, okay? So the first pair I'm going to try on are called Green Infinity. So they're packaged like this. This is how they look inside. I'm gonna open these up real quick and then I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, so here are my eyes before. This is what it looks like with one contact lens in. I feel like they look very good, and also more than anything, they look extremely natural. What I have noticed is that these contacts are very comfortable. They're lightweight. I can barely feel them in my eyes. I can't see any color. My vision is very clear when I put these in, but I think that these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is what the little cases look like. Very cute. Next pair that we're going to open is called Radiant Hazelnut Fantasy. These ones, I believe, are like bigger. Like, they're giving like big eyes. I don't know. Like, in comparison to my brown eyes, if you guys can see, this one's a lot smaller than this one. So these contacts make your eyes look bigger. All right, this is with them both in. I will say that these ones are not as comfortable. They did feel a little bit like thicker, like not so soft. I don't know if that has to do with like the color of the contacts, but they were just like a little bit more stiff. But beautiful color. All right, so the next pair is Blue Infinity. This is Blue Infinity. Very beautiful. It's like more on the deeper blue side, so not so flashy, a little bit modest and subtle. All right, the next pair are a Brown Infinity. All right, Brown Infinity is giving most natural out of the whole bunch. Very gorgeous. Yes, these could be an everyday contact lens for sure. Very pretty. The next one is called hydrosol. I think something like that. I'll have it in at the bottom of the screen right here. I cannot even feel these ones in here. Like, I can't even feel. These ones are so soft and comfortable in your eye. Love that. But I'm not sure what color is this giving. Is this giving like really light green? Yeah, this is fire. Beautiful. Okay, and the last pair are called Wildcat Green. The Wildcat Green. This is very sexy. Definitely giving sexy. All right, you guys. So those are all the contacts. I really love them all. These ones are so beautiful. I just left them in because, well, why not? They look gorgeous. But my overall thoughts on these contact lenses, they're all comfortable except that, what was the Radiant Hazelnut Fantasy was like the most like stiff, like not so comfortable in my eye. You could definitely get away with wearing it all day, but it was just like not as soft and like comfortable as the other pairs were. But the color was actually very cute, and those ones actually made your eyes look bigger as well. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but overall I love these. They all make your eyes look beautiful. They last you up to a year. I would not suggest wearing them to sleep at all. Take them out, make sure your hands are clean when you're putting them in and out of your eyes. But yes, overall, Unicoeye I love these colored contacts. I think they're beautiful. Absolutely, definitely recommend. These green ones are just sexy. They're just giving me they're giving me sex appeal. These ones got sex appeal. You hear me? Yeah, so thank you again, Unicoeye, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys check them out in the description box below. Also, a discount code should be in there for you guys as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.